All right, here I want to show you these original BBS RS 021s in BMW fitment. They are all date matched 1987. I am the second owner. I bought them off of the original owner. He had them put on his car brand new in 1988 when he ordered his 7 Series from Rockville BMW at the VOB BMW dealership. These are 16 by 8 inches, and we're going to go ahead and get into a more in-depth look with the camera, but I just wanted to kind of give you an overall tell the story about these wheels. These are all original. So those are BBS lips. That's what came on that car. These are the original barrels, original lips, original faces, waffles, and the hex nuts. The only thing that I have changed is I went to a brand new made in West Germany. They are discontinued, but the 70 millimeter BBS RS center caps, 3-prong in the black and gold. I believe he had the black and silver ones on there that may have been faded. Maybe they were gold back then, but I just think it looks so much better where it just has that BBS in gold. And also I did a brand new 10.9 stainless steel nuts and bolts. They will come with the original BBS bolts if you wanted to get them refinished and chromed. But I talked to a couple of wheel manufacturers and some people that build these wheels quite more than I do, and they said that there could be some stretching and some fatigue over the years, so obviously it's a good idea to replace them, and they just look amazing. We also did powder-coated faces and powder-coated waffles. They came out so nice. The only major repair we had to do, and it wasn't even major, but it did have a crack on the back of one of the barrels. So Joe Dale over at wheelrepair.com, he went ahead and took care of that for us, and he TIG welded it and we machined it, and these wheels spin perfect. The other thing that's neat is you'll see I went with a machine polish on the lips because that's what it looked like when they were new. I didn't want to go with a high polish chrome look. I think it tends to look more like a replica wheel or a little too modern. These would be perfect for an M series car, maybe like an E30 M3 or an M6, M5, something like that. This is really what they deserve to go on. But we went as close as we could to that BBS original gold. These were originally gold. So this is how they looked when I got them. This is how they looked when he purchased them in 1988. And like I said, all 4 wheels are date matched 1987. So we got a 16 by 8 RS 021s, 5 by 1 20 millimeter, and it is a ET offset of 11. So we'll go ahead and take a quicker look here, a little zoom in here. You can see the finish on these. I mean, they're just amazing. They're gorgeous, new valve stems. And if you want the original valve stems, which look identical to these, you can have those too. They will come in the box with all the original bolts. You'll get all the bolts and all of the nuts. You can see it's got brand new center caps on there. And also they are lined up with the valve stem. I just didn't go super tight on these. That'll be after you mount them up. But if you were to crank them down, they will line up with your valve stem there. They are sandwich sealed and externally sealed. So they are sandwiched before, and then we torqued them down, and then obviously we also have an external sealant there. So you shouldn't have any kind of air leaks. These wheels are ready to go. And these are the original lips. So if it needed any kind of repair, we took care of that. Any kind of curb rash or anything, we took care of that just so we could keep the original BBS lips, barrels, faces, waffles, hex nuts, all the good stuff. All right, now let me go ahead and show you the repair that was done. And these were also, they were originally gold on the insides, just like how they are here. I don't know if you can see it, but this is where the repair was done. And that's about as smooth as he could get it. And they do spin straight. They seal up great. Go ahead and put this back. Here's a center cap. You see, made in West Germany. You got some part numbers there. BBS. Brand new center caps. A little hard to see in there, but it is 8J by 16 ET11 RS021. Now, since these were powder coated, everything threads in great. We made sure of that. The only thing is we wanted to make sure that we could still see the date stamp. And through the camera angle, it is a little bit difficult, but they all say 87 on them. Let's see if I can get to a little bit of a better one for you all. Yeah, this one has more lighting, so you should be able to see that. Right there, 87. Plus, I mean, maybe you just want to watch this video just to kind of see what the original BBS RS 021s, you know, look like. And so if you know, like the BBSs, when it comes to the different model designations, 021 would have been your BMW fitment. Some people call them OEM or factory. Basically, it was a dealership option. When you ordered your BMW, you were able to put these wheels right on the car, brand new. So a lot of the higher end cars, the 5s and the 7 Series, they did end up getting these wheels. But because this is kind of like a motorsport rim, a lot of them were damaged. A lot of them got bent and cracked and trashed. And they also would leak because they wouldn't service them correctly and never reseal them. And then you'd have problems. People would rip them off and put on a different aftermarket wheel a couple years later. What I lucked out about is that this guy's car actually got wrecked at 30,000 miles. He had it parked at in a parking lot, and some service truck rolled down the hill, smashed the front end up, and he got the insurance check for it, which was quite a bit because the car was pretty much new. This happened in 1991. So at this time, these wheels were only about 3 years old with 30,000 miles. They were in great shape, but it sat this entire time. I ended up getting these wheels late 2020 and then going through months of restoration and cleaning and polishing and making sure everything was good to go. Let's see if I can do a close-up of some of the bolts. You can kind of see it there. 10.9. See some of the finish. I'm not going to lie, these things are probably going to be hard to keep them clean. Also, if you want to know more about the story of these wheels, it's very interesting how I came about getting these wheels. It was very difficult. I paid a lot of money for them, even in the condition they were. But I figured they needed to be saved. They were pretty close to my house, so I was able to bring all of my tools, extra set of wheels, jacks, jack stands, everything needed to help remove these wheels and save them. Not to mention, he had the factory locking lug on each wheel and did not have the key anymore. So I had to carefully extract each one of those, not damaging any part of this face. This is one of the most valuable parts of the wheels, is this face, because this is where the RS021 comes in. A lot of people, I mean, if you know BBSs, obviously, you know, you can change out the lips, you can put on wider lips, you can put on like a step lip and go from a 16, 17, 18. But I really feel like when it comes to these 80s BMWs, 16 is about as big as I'd want to go for them to look right. I think on an E30 M3, these may look killer, but definitely, you know, your M6s, your E24s, and your E28s. Let's see if I can show you some more. And they use like a plastic BBS tool. You can still get that brand new, and that helps you tighten them down and crank them out. If you wanted to move this center cap, it's pretty easy. It's got 3 prongs on the back, and you can go ahead and pop that out and reposition it if by some chance it's not completely aligned with that valve stem. Now, I'll do this with a lot of the higher dollar items or vehicles that I sell. I'll shoot a video because we can all, you know, we look at 12 photos on eBay, on your online auctions, and it just doesn't do it quality. I mean, when you really get to see this on a video, you get to see it up close, see how all of, you know, how everything works, whether it's a car, all of your functions, or even with these wheels. There's so many different pieces to these wheels, and it has to be done right. And so I just wanted to be clear again, these are all original. The only thing not original on these are the brand new center caps I just ordered, which are discontinued. I got those, and the bolts. So the nuts and bolts are brand new, but you will be getting the original BBS stamped bolts, all of them, 32 times 4. You'll be getting all of those. And the factory center caps, there was basically some separation on the laminate. So I decided, you know, if I put all this work into refinishing these wheels, it's probably a good idea to get the new black and gold center caps. So correct BBS RS fitment is a 70 millimeter 3-prong plastic center cap. You can get the different, you know, the reds, the blues, carbon fiber, which obviously is not period correct, but these are very period correct. And that gold is just beautiful. And yes, these are powder coated, and so are the faces. So they'll hold up for a long time. And then this was an automotive paint that was used to bring it back to almost that original light gold. It actually was like a lighter gold that we noticed when we pulled the tires off of the original ones. So we just brought it back to that. Okay, hope you all enjoy this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and hit me up through YouTube or on my Instagram. It is official Chris Stevens, Stephens. You can find me on there. I do a lot of European cars. You might know me from some, you know, from some TV shows, but I've been doing European car parts and cars for well over 20 years. I have my shop out here in Frederick, Maryland called Eurotech Classics. And so if you want to just follow some really cool and rad stuff, go ahead and give me a follow. And I hope this helps whoever is interested in these wheels. See you.